My student's first time on the freeway. Unfortunately, the driver merging is not looking. I had to intervene. The natural reaction is to swerve into the next lane, which is not something you can do unless you know you're clear to move over. You have to anticipate and watch the merging traffic. Prepare to let someone in even if you have to slow down a bit. If someone's going to merge into the side of your car, you should honk your horn to wake them up rather than swerve into the next lane. You need to hold your steering wheel steady if you get bumped. Overreaction can cause even more trouble. These things are going to happen during the course of your driving career. And if you see a lot of traffic merging ahead, you can always change lanes if possible to avoid further conflicts. If you're just learning to drive, check out my full playlist at Nevada Drive Academy.